Hey guys, we're out here at Lake Panasoffkee free fishing. Just caught the first fish, didn't have the camera on. Some nice pretty fish on a weightless speed worm. Trying to find some fish. The first one we're fishing 2.5 hours, first bite, so it's about a 2 1/4, so feels pretty good to catch one. I was like trying to get the camera and I saw him blow up on it. This is a big fish. Holy moly, this is a big one. That's in the box.
Don't lose it. You want a net?
Big, but that's a good fish.
I'm going to tell you something. Those two that you caught, if you in a tournament, I don't care what tournament you're in.
Good looking fish. That is a solid fish. Healthy fish. As you see, we were going
go about 4.
Close to 4. All weighing. So we were going up this bank. I was seeing all the little bitty bait fish. I caught the one on the speed worm because the bait blowing up. So all the little bitty minnows, I threw that spinnerbait in right along the side of that channel. He came and clobbered. Oh man, that's a good fish. I'm happy because pre-fishing is working out. We're putting things together. I'll come a few more times before the tournament and see how things are going, and we'll get back to it.
That's a good fish. That other one was pretty. This is pretty up.